Cool. Oh, look at this. The lipstick holders. Honey, that goes on your Stanley. Absolutely love this. This is so cute, and they come in different colors, and it's all of them have, like, you know, it's 2 in a pack. Really cool. Look, my loves, you looking? Anytime you see me with these, you know that the Dollar Tree, the haul is about to be fire. Okay, I'm about to light it up. They have so many new items. You are going to absolutely love these. It's just hit after hit after hit. First off, they got the Onyx. This is the nail drying spray, okay, for your nails. $1.25. Wait, hold on, child. Stick with me. They also have the Onyx Professional. This is the cuticle oil. Shape up your cuticles. Removes and hydrates nail bed. Look at the packaging. This is so cool. $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Honey, it's just getting better and better. Every time I look around, I see something new. Check this out. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Precision Nail Clippers set. You get 2 of these for $1.25. That is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, let me know in the comment section if any of you guys have used the brush-on nail glue. I still haven't used this yet. I normally just go with the stuck-on-you nail glue, which is $1.25. But I noticed Dollar Tree started carrying this, and I wanted to see, have you guys used this? Now, make sure you guys are coming to Dollar Tree, especially for the nail polish, because they have nail polish like this, the Sally Hansen, which is $1.25. They also have these bright, vibrant colors over here. Red is definitely my thing, like a chicken wing. CV with hardeners. This is $1.25. More Sally Hansen extreme wear. You could get some good stuff from here, I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so we're going to go through a few new items that Dollar Tree has. I mean, honey, they are definitely delivering. Check this out. So first up, they have the Vitamin C Brightening Jelly Eye Mask. 40 pieces, 20 pairs. This is $1.25. They also have this Berry Glowy Mixed Berry Scented. This has hyaluronic acid, body and face serum, brightens and plumps skin. Now, it's 2 different kinds, okay? They have the vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, body and face serum, and then they also have the tea tree oil, okay? Acid. What is that? Glycolic? Honey, don't get me to lying. Now, this is $1.25. Look at this. This is cute. This is really cute. Now, which one is this? This is the tea tree. All right, clarifies skin, detoxifies. Look at the packaging. I mean, this is just so movie groovy. Sheer melon. This is nice. Dollar Tree has this item, honey. You are definitely going to like this. They are just showing out, my loves. This is the Eco Tool made with real stones and bamboo. Multi-stone body sculpting roller. Best for massaging and soothing. This is a nice, really cool. For $1.25, this is a steal deal. Peace, family, peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree in Bloomfield, New Jersey. We gonna see if they gonna have us move our feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Let's see. Okay, my love, so when you first come in, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous floral items right here. This glitter bush fern. This is so beautiful. Now, these are $1.75. They also have the willows over here. So unique, different. Absolutely love this. And it's really these that's giving me the chills. Okay, these are so nice. These leaves, they are orange, red, bright, and just right. They also have these little bushes over here with the pumpkins. Absolutely love these. These are beautiful. Now, they also have these leaves over here as well. I like these. Now, when it comes to decor, okay, honey, this is giving. And not only do they have the white, the orange. They also have this blue down here. This is so cute. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about these with the little pumpkins. I absolutely love these. And then they also have these over here. This is so nice. Let me tell you guys something. All right, I had a few years ago, I had brought this vase is in some like ferns or so. It's on my kitchen table right now. That, I think that was like $18 from Target. Honey, you better come on down to Dollar Tree. $1.75 for these bushes. Honey, this is still a deal like Holyfield. My loves, don't you dare sleep on Dollar Tree. Did you guys see these new lunch boxes that Dollar Tree has? Okay, it has the fork and also the spoon. It has the little opener at the bottom in a corner. Really cool. It has the interlocks on here. This is definitely styling. This is the lunchbox with utensils. Really, this is cool. This is nice. Really giving. Now this lunchbox, it does not have no price on here, so we're gonna have to go scan it because it just has this red sticker. Okay, so these are $5. These are so cute. I guarantee you're gonna like these. Check these out. So Dollar Tree has these little candle holders right here. These are nice. I absolutely love these, like with the little leaves. Really cute. And then they also have these. These are $1.25. Now, I absolutely love these. These little glass bottles, well, I guess they're going up to $1.50, is really for me. These are divine. Absolutely amazing. And then they also have different ones that you guys can choose from. My fave is definitely this. I also like this color as well, but this is like more so bright and right. Right? Really cool. And of course, Dollar Tree has these candle holders as well. These are $1.25. Now, this item is definitely new as well. This is an incense gift set, 25 incense sticks and one holder. Oh, this is good. All right, so they have the orange. They also have the black. Really cool. Every time I see this puts me in the mind of the movie Coco, which is by far my favorite. It's a Disney film. Really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have these candle holders as well. These are so gorgeous. These are $1.50, I believe. They have that red sticker on there. You know, when they have that on there, that means that is went up a dollar or so more. Now, they also have these candle holders as well. A lot of candle holders. These look really cool. Now, my loves, if you guys are looking for a 9-foot foam ball garland, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They come in different colors. These are so cute. These are $5. They have the red and black, the green and black, the black and white. Really cool. They also have these haunted clocks over here. These are $7. And look at the skulls, okay? $5. Really nice. If you are looking for some Halloween costumes for your little ones, they definitely have these to dress up burger, to dress up avocado. Those are $5. Really cool. I absolutely love these. The LED lighted ceramic trees. These are $7. And these are really giving a skull cold drink dispensers. These are $7 as well. Now, Dollar Tree also have the rotating bath organizers. These are $7. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Orchid Feminine Wipes, pH balance for gentle care, helps keep odors under control. This is 40 wipes for $1.50. They also have the Cucumber 40 wipes for $1.50 as well. And honey, those are not flushable. You know me, I love the flushable wipes. You know, if I'm being honest, I love the flushable. But for $1.50, okay, I'll let them pass. Vanilla and cucumber. Honey, that's a steal deal. Now, some other amazing items Dollar Tree has is hanging travel bag. I had seen this another content creator. She had put, like, folded up her clothes and used one of these. You know, every day that they was on vacation, she was putting like a different outfit in these little slides. I think this is really good. Now, I believe this is $1.50, the hanging travel bag. This is a steal deal, my loves. Really good. Dollar Tree also have the extra sticky rollers. This is the refill one, 80 sheets for $1.25. Now and again, if you guys are looking for some canisters, some glassware, make sure you guys check out the Dollar Tree. These are $1.50. Really, really good. I mean, if you just moved into your home, definitely come here. Look at these little tea glasses. These are cute. I like these, honey. They big enough. Really, really nice. Okay, major items that Dollar Tree brought back that I absolutely love. This is the mini jar hair accessories. I had got this for my daughter Amani last year. Oh my goodness, it was so good. Absolutely love these. You get so many, 20 claw clips. They also have these, the 16 pieces elastics. This is definitely a steal deal. Now they have different ones. Really, really cool for $1.25. I think this is a steal deal, like Holyfield. Oh, look at this. They also have the dry eraser boards over here for the little smaller kids. This is so nice. Moana they have, Disney. Really, really nice. They also have Stitch. Really, really cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have these little 2-pack bags, Marvel, Moana, Mini Paw Patrol. These are $1.25. But what I really brought you guys over here, look at this, the USB mini vacuum cleaner. Now, these come in about 3 different colors. They have the pink, they also have the purple and the blue. Love this. $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here just showing out. Also, the silicone ice mold, this is $1.25 as well. Dollar Tree also have these jumbo erasers. Oh, these are cute. Look at this. Delicious. Lunchables over here they have. They also have the bagel bites. This is so, honey, your children could never say they don't have an eraser. Okay, this big old thing, you could spot this like 10 miles away. This is huge. This is so nice. Honey, they have so many new items over here. Now, these I had seen last year. The wheelie bin pencil holders. Wait, hold on, honey. I thought this was like the trash thing. But neither here nor there, $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for fairy garden items, these are $5. This is new. I guess this is Dollar Tree pretty much fall collection, because I seen them at a previous Dollar Tree as well. Look at this. They have the witch over here. So they have different ones, okay? Really cool. If you guys are looking to be well organized, honey, the stackable drawers is for you. Especially if you a sneakerhead, you have a lot of shoes. These stackable drawers, these are $5. They come in different colors, all right? They have the gray, the blue, and also the green. Now, they also have these plastic 2-stack racks. Now, these go in your vanity or in your cabinet. If you have like cleaning supplies that's all over the place, honey, this will definitely be your best bet. These are $5. Same exact concept colors, blue, gray, and green. If you guys are looking for snack trays, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These are $7. Really, really nice. Honey, tell you the truth, I could have made this. Right? Decorative pumpkins. By far my fave, especially with the glaze. I absolutely love these. Now, these are $1.50. Dollar Tree also have the Halloween LED candles over here, giving that Halloween theme. This is $1.50. Bleed and skull candles, $1.50. And look at the little pumpkin with the hair, okay? $1.50 as well. LED tea light candles, these are $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have these little tray over here, pumpkin trays, and I'm almost sure that these are $1.50. Look at these though. These are so cute. I love when they bring these out. Happy pumpkin spice season. These are $1.50. Alright, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was the tea tree foam stuff that you put on your face. They had so many new items. Oh my goodness. The Eco Roller. Honey, Dollar Tree, you know, they just showing out, okay? They ain't doing nothing but showing out for $1.50. I think their stuff is really amazing, especially the Eco. Honey, that's the name brand. The Onyx, the nail polish dryer, $1.25. That was, honey, movie groovy. With that being said, let me know if you guys found any treats this week. any goodies from Dollar Tree? If so, put them down in the comment section, and I catch you guys at the next Dollar Tree. Peace.